Hello gentlemen traders and investors. Analytical service in Guru.Markets. Thank you so much for helping our project. See all links in the description of this video. Now we will compare the current performance of the company PureCycle Technologies Inc., ticker PCT. This review is based on current data as of June 12, 2024. By classification Guru.Markets company PureCycle Technologies Inc. belongs to the subcategory Chemistry. 57 companies take part in the comparison, and this is very representative. We start with general information about the company. If you're interested, you can pause the video. You can look at every parameter of the corporation in question in detail. Access to the table with the ticker structure is free and open. So, friends, let's finally begin. Market capitalization of the corporation PureCycle Technologies Inc. valued at $0.97 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $569 billion. PureCycle Technologies, PCT, has a share of 0.171% and is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $0.33 billion. The subcategory's balance sheet capitalization is $202 billion. PureCycle Technologies Inc. constitutes a share of 0.162%. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Share PureCycle Technologies, PCT, in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.171%. The book value is 0.162%. This is 5% less than the market capitalization share. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Overall company assessment PureCycle Technologies, PCT, will be presented at the end of the review. Please watch the logic of the analysis to the end. The organization's debts amount to $0.304 billion. Debt-to-book capitalization accounts for 92.1% of the company's capital. Rating for the company's debt level, tolerable, 0 points. The balance of the company's stock price to its profit is 0. With an average for the subcategory of 32.4, which is significantly worse than the average for the subcategory. Estimation of the stock market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$162 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are unknown, which is very negative for the company. Estimation of the expected future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The company's value to revenue balance is 0. The average for the subcategory is 1.9, which is worse than the average for the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to revenue indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $0 million. Forecasted revenue for the coming 12 months is unknown. And this is extremely bad for the company's prospects. Assess expected future sales performance against subcategory performance. Bad, -1 point. If you are interested in such analytics, we kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. The sales margin is 0%, with an average in the subcategory of 5.8%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 5.8%. Marginality assessment in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.035%, which is 389% less than the share of market capitalization. This fact shows the imbalance of the organization's market price PureCycle Technologies, PCT, rather towards revaluation. The amount of market capital for each employee of the company is $6,675,000. And in the subcategory $1,375,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 385.5%. Estimation of the amount of company capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The volume of profit for each employee of the company is $0,000. Average for the subcategory, $42,500. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 100%. Estimation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, minus 0.5 points. The share of revenue per company employee is $0,000. In the subcategory $734,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 100%. Estimation of sales volume per individual company employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 28.9%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.9%. This is the valuation of a short squeeze. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 60% for the company PureCycle Technologies, PCT. In the subcategory this level is 45%. On average, securities of the subcategory are quoted lower than PureCycle Technologies Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price PureCycle Technologies Inc. and subcategory companies. We see that over the last 12 months stocks PureCycle Technologies Inc. showed a change of minus 24.3%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory 11%. This clearly does not indicate anything, but we must take note of this fact. Before announcing the total score, I beg you. Leave your rating PureCycle Technologies, PCT, in the comments to this review. We read all the comments and try to answer almost every one. Your comments greatly contribute to the development of information from Guru.Markets. The overall result is minus 7.5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 1.9 points. If you look very broadly, within the market as a whole, we see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 0.3 points. Against a score of minus 7.5 points for PureCycle Technologies Inc. Let's look at the order table. It is available to everyone. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made by the information and reference evaluation system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on the analysis PureCycle Technologies Inc. Guru.Markets. Open a deal because PureCycle Technologies, PCT, is an overvalued company in the subcategory. Let me remind you that earlier May 17, 2024, an order was published, ticker ASPI. Information and Reference Assessment System.GURU.Markets. The following decision was made on this order. Close the deal. The result is a profit of 16.1%. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the help system from Guru.Markets. You all truly are the most excellent audience on the entire planet.